What is up, guys? I'm Kyle at Fortune. Today we're talking about some LED marker lights. Check them out. A few months ago, we got to try out some LED marker lights from Suzuki Samurai of America. They're really cool because they're LED, they're super bright, they're a little bit bigger than the stock ones, and they just look a lot better. So anyways, we're getting the Samurai ready to go tackle Rubicon this weekend, and I'm just kind of tying up a few loose ends and making sure everything's good to go. And because we have a giveaway coming up in the next couple of weeks here, I was asking everybody, hey, what do you want to get for the giveaway? What kind of stuff should we give out? And it ended up being a bunch of recovery gear from Rhino, some stuff from our channel, and then Suzuki Samurai of America volunteered to donate a set of these LED lights. So that's the amber marker light in the front and also the reds in the rear. Plus they threw in a cool little Suzuki Samurai of America koozie. So if you want to be a part of that, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. That way you can see when this giveaway is happening. And also to win it, part of it is being subscribed. Make sure you stay tuned for that. So here's those ones that we installed a while ago. They look awesome. A little bit wider. They kind of stick out a little bit further than the stock ones, but they've got like this cool delta design on them. They look great. The wiring is super simple. All you have to do is unscrew these two Phillips heads, and then out of there will be two wires. So ground and power. All I did, I just spliced in the new wires from this light, and it's that easy. The ones on the rear are pretty much the same thing, except they're red. Once again, it just makes everything look so much better because a lot of my lights, as you can see, are starting to show their age, and we're still figuring out what we're going to do for this rear bumper because we're still running this plastic part, and like this one's getting water in it and dirt and all that. So we're trying to find out exactly what we're going to do. We're probably going to end up building a new bumper that matches the Samurai, like kind of the stock look, but you know, it's made out of some 3/16 steel or something like that, just so it's a little bit heftier and can take some hits. And then I'd also like to get some tie down points on it for the trailer so we can go down these rings here instead of wrapping our stuff around the suspension components on the bottom, because they're kind of tight on some of the areas and I don't want those straps to start getting frayed and stuff. So once we got the lights installed, I tried them out, they look awesome, and then we're gonna wait for it to get a little bit darker. We're gonna turn them on at night and see how they look. Another problem we were having with the Samurai, which was totally my fault, is when I made the spare tire license plate mount back here, I messed up something with the wiring, and for the longest time, whenever I put my my passenger blinker on, it would just blow the fuse. That whole side would be out, and it's only like a little 5-amp fuse, so I would replace it. Obviously that's not going to fix anything, but the big issue is that my LED headlights are powered through part of that, so I wouldn't have any headlights, and you know, kind of need those on the road at night. Anyways, redid that, got under there and fixed a bunch of that wiring and just cleaned it up. Looks a lot better now, and so far we're having good luck with the fuse, so I hope they work. I'll show you guys a good shot of the headlights again because I really like these LED headlights. As usual, you want to check out any of this stuff, just look down in the description. I'll have links to all that stuff there. And like I said, if you want to get a set of these marker lights for your Samurai, make sure you're part of that giveaway coming up in a couple weeks. And huge thanks to the guys at the Suzuki Samurai of America website. Thank you for donating those parts for us to use. Really awesome the support you guys have given this channel on Instagram and with the giveaways and stuff, so thanks. So really short video this week because we are getting everything spooled up for the Samurai to hit up ZukiCon this upcoming weekend, and really excited about it. We're trying to figure out how we're going to fit everything in here. The propane tanks have kind of made it a little tight back here, so here's a 65 cooler back there, but you know, the refreshments are a big part of the trail riding, so we're going to find out how we can stick everything there, and right here. So it's going to be tight. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for that Rubicon video. I think it's going to be awesome. I know there's going to be a ton of cool trucks out there, so I'm going to do my best to try to get a couple walk around videos, at least one I'm hoping to get for you guys, so you can check out these builds that these other guys have been doing on their Samurais or their sidekicks or whatever cool stuff they show up with. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.